This is number 67 in our Chapter 5 review, where we're asked to simplify, and we see we have a rational exponent. We have to remember that a rational exponent always has a denominator that represents the root of the number that we are taking. And so in this case, we have the number 27, and we are wanting to take the cube root of that. We're then going to take that answer and raise it to the numerator power. So the denominator of the rational exponent is always the root, and the numerator is the higher power that we're going to raise it to. So if we ask you, what's the cube root of 27, we know that that's 3, because if we multiply 3 3's together, we get 27. And now if we raise that to the negative 2 power, we have to think about the fact that 3 to the positive 2 power would be 9. So 3 to the negative 2 power would be the reciprocal of 9, which is 1 over 9. That's our final answer.